Now let us understand what is fire. Fire is a chemical reaction resulting from the combination of heat, fuel, and oxygen, which produces heat, smoke, and toxic gases. Elements of combustion. The triangle illustrates the three elements required for combustion, that is fuel, oxygen, and heat. Fuel, it vaporize and burn. Oxygen, to combine with fuel vapor. And heat, to raise the temperature of the fuel vapor to its ignition temperature. Now let's have further understanding on these elements of fire. A chain reaction can occur when the three elements, that is fuel, oxygen, and heat, are present in the proper conditions and proportions. Fuel is any combustible material, whether it is solid, liquid, or gas. Oxygen, which we breathe, is about 21% oxygen level. Fire only needs an atmospheric value of 16% oxygen to sustain. Heat. Heat is the energy necessary to increase the temperature of the fuel to a point where sufficient vapors are given off for ignition to occur. Causes of workplace fire. The most common causes of fires in the workplace are smoking, that is, smoking in the non-designated area, smoker's bin not emptied regularly, poor housekeeping, by garbage left to accumulate, heaters, unattended, too close to combustibles, or it may be faulty, contractors' tools. Contractors' tools and equipments, they have a potential of fire. Electrical equipment, faulty, damaged, or covered equipment, cables coiled, plugs overloaded, cooking equipment, again potential hazard. Flammable storage, excessive storage of flammable hazardous materials. Frictions, belts on machinery due to lack of lubrication. Arson, the criminal act of deliberately setting fire to the property because of various reasons. It can be insurance fraud, concealment of another crime, or terrorism, etc. Fire classes. As per National Fire Protection Association NFPA 10, standard fire classifications are Class A fires, Class B fires, Class C fires, Class D fires, and Class K fires. Class A fire involving ordinary combustible materials such as wood, cloth, paper, rubber, and many plastics. Class B fires involving flammable liquids, combustible liquids, petroleum greases, tars, oils, oil-based paints, solvents, liquids, alcohols, and flammable gases. Class C fires that involves energized electrical equipment. Class D fires, these are metal fires involving magnesium, sodium, potassium, and sodium-potassium alloys. Class K fires, these are cooking media fires involving oils and greases.